Hey guys, this is Courtney. Today is May the 1st. We out here, me and Mr. Bobby. He's one of my trainees, and I'm here with the residents of the Mrs. of the house, Mrs. Lori, out here in the Cummings, Alpharetta, Georgia area. Today, we came out here to perform a screen and recoat. We also did some color correction, and then also topped it off with satin polyurethane. Mrs. Lori, the husband, actually found me on YouTube after they was told by a sanding guy that the floors would need to be sanded, and it would take them about 2 weeks to complete the job. After her husband found me on YouTube, he told Lori to watch my videos.
Yes.
She watched my videos. She then reached out to me. We set up a $75 in-home consultation. I came out here about 2 weeks ago, gave her the consultation, and she booked on the spot, and the rest is history. So Miss Lori just going to give me some good feedback about her experience with my company today.
Yeah, this is amazing, you guys. One day you don't have to go outside your home for 2 weeks. You can stay home. You can just look at, this is amazing. I'm so happy. I am like emotionally happy. This turned out better than I expected.
Thank you.
This is better than I expected.
Yes, ma'am.
Watch his videos. Go on his website. Trust this guy. He will take care of you, beginning to end. Ask all the questions. Never use floor wax.
Yes.
I cannot either. This is amazing.
Yes, and guys, again, and one thing that Miss Lori will say, and a lot of my clients have told me, Courtney, it's not about the money of sanding; it's about the convenience. And when clients see that I can have their floors restored in one day, sometimes maybe very small percentage where it might take us 2 days, but never 2 weeks. And one thing about me, guys, I'm very honest. If I get to a house and I feel like my process would not work, I will let you know, and I would then lead you to the right direction, because I do network with other guys. But this is just another happy client.
Trust Courtney. Trust him. Do the satin. He trusted me, or trusted me for his business. I'm trusting him for his opinion, and I cannot be happier.
Thank you, Miss Lori.
So
You're welcome. All right, guys, another happy client. Beautiful. And this is what we do. All right, guys, thanks again. See you in the next one. Yes, ma'am.
Was that okay?
Yeah, that's perfect.
Okay.